Hey cruisers, welcome back. A while ago, I shared a deep dive into Royal Caribbean's Club Royale casino program. Since then, Royal Caribbean has updated their website. Now you don't have to hunt down a separate site just to see your offers. Everything is now right on the main Royal Caribbean site in its own section. In this video, I'll walk you through how to find your current offers, how to make sense of them, and I'll even show you a couple of shortcuts that make searching way easier. Plus, I'll show you how to look up instant certificate offers in advance so you'll know what point level you want to target before you even step foot on the ship. All the links I discuss will be listed in the description, and with that, let's dive in. Let's start with instant certificates. Say I have a cruise in September 2025, and I want to plan another trip for later. Each month, Royal Caribbean publishes a PDF list of certificates. They're usually released around the 15th of the month prior, so the October list should appear around September 15th. For my September example, the instant certificate code begins with 2509A. Here's how it breaks down: 25 for the year, 9 for September, and A for a short sailing, meaning 5 nights or less. Once you're on that list, you'll see different point levels. For example, at 800 points, the 2509A08 list shows all the cruises available for that certificate. In this case, over 12 pages of options. But here's the catch. Some are labeled cruise fare for 2, and others cruise fare for 1. Cruise fare for 2 means the first 2 guests in the cabin don't pay cruise fare, even if you're sailing solo. Cruise fare for 1 means the first guest is free, but the second pays a discounted fare, usually about 50%. Even if you're traveling solo, you'll still get charged that discounted second guest fare. The good news, you won't pay taxes and port fees for that second guest if you're sailing alone. The higher your point level, the more options open up. At 1,500 points, for example, there are over 23 pages of cruises to choose from, and most are cruise fare for 2. Starting at this level, you'll also see a new perk, free play. But there's a catch. You only get that free play if you make a next cruise booking before you disembark. You can do this at the next cruise desk or even through the Royal Caribbean app while on board. Miss it, and you lose that benefit. Now, flipping through dozens of PDF pages can get overwhelming. Luckily, there are easier ways to sort through these offers. The first resource is from A.J. Goldsman, who runs a Facebook group called Cruise Casino Offers. His Google Sheet combines all the certificates into one place, with tabs for each level and even separate tabs for 1 and for 2 offers. The best trick? Make a copy into your own Google Drive, then use filters to sort by things like departure port, ship, or cabin type. The second resource comes from James Yarnell, who posts in the Royal Caribbean Club Royale Facebook group and on YouTube. His sheet works in a similar way, already formatted and sortable, making it quick and easy to find what you're looking for. If you don't research ahead of time, no worries. Once on board, you can check the printed binder at the casino host desk, or just save a copy of one of these Google Sheets on your device. That way, you'll always have it handy, even without Wi-Fi. And remember, whenever you redeem an instant certificate, don't forget to also make a next cruise booking. That way, you'll stack the onboard credit with your free cruise offer. So what about when you're back home? That's where the updated Royal Caribbean website comes in. Now when you log in, you'll see all your Club Royale offers, instant certificates, marketing offers, and your annual tier benefits. Each shows the basic details and expiration date. Click View Sailing, and you'll see which cruises that specific offer applies to. The downside? You have to open each offer individually, which can get overwhelming fast. That's where a tool from Jason Hartman comes in handy. He created a Google Chrome extension called Club Royale Casino Offers. Once installed, it adds a button at the top of the Club Royale website labeled Show Casino Offers. Clicking it opens all of your offers in a spreadsheet-style view. You can sort by columns, like dates or ships, and if you want to do deeper filtering, you can export the list to a CSV and drop it into Google Sheets. This makes it much easier to compare offers and make sure you're booking with the best one. So now you know how to look up instant certificate offers before your cruise, use community-made tools to simplify your searches, and keep track of all your Club Royale offers in one place. The only thing left to do now is hit the casino, rack up some points, and put them to work for your next free cruise. I also keep my own Google Sheet where I track every cruise I've booked, how many points I earned, what they cost me, and what I saved compared to paying full fare. If that's something you'd like to see in a future video, let me know in the comments. And if you're wondering whether chasing casino points is really worth it, I've shared videos of my own wins, losses, and strategies that you'll definitely want to check out. Links are in the description. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more cruise tips and casino insights, and join me on future adventures as we keep hustling on the high seas. Until next time, happy cruising and good luck in the casino.